President Yoon's impeachment trial is ongoing, and it kicked off on Tuesday at the Constitutional Court, but concluded within minutes due to his absence. Now, the bench rejected a request by the president's team to recuse a justice. Our correspondent Oh Soo-young reports.
Meeting adjourned after 4 minutes. President Yoon Suk Yeol's first impeachment trial hearing wrapped up almost as soon as it began, as the leader did not show up before the Constitutional Court on Tuesday.
As the respondent is absent, proceedings will not continue today in accordance with Article 52, Paragraph 1 of the Constitutional Court Act.
Yoon's absence was largely expected as his legal team announced he would not attend the first session and submitted a series of objections to the court. These include an objection to the first hearing and the court's decision to fix 5 hearing dates without consultation. It also filed a request to recuse Justice Chung Gae-sun, who was appointed to the bench this month. Yoon's team cited her connections to the opposition Democratic Party and her husband's close association with former Chief Justice Kim Il-soo, who is co-chair of the National Assembly's panel of lawyers trying to impeach the president. The court's acting Chief Justice said the bench rejected the recusal request and said the court's announcement of multiple hearing dates aligns with the Constitutional Court Act. Speaking to reporters, Yoon's attorney Yoon Gak-gun expressed deep regret and indicated that the president's team will continue to contest the proceedings.
The rush scheduling of hearings is unnecessary. Even if hearings were scheduled through February 4th, there was ample opportunity during today's or the January 16th hearing to consult with and notify the defense counsel. Such omissions cast doubt on the fairness and neutrality of the trial process.
Meanwhile, the National Assembly's impeachment team called for swift proceedings and for the president himself to attend his trial.
The respondent is expected to continue employing various measures, even after today, in order to hinder the swift and smooth progression of the trial.
Yoon's absence at the first hearing means that the session has been rescheduled for Thursday. Now, if he skips the hearing a second time, the court can proceed without him. However, it's unclear how far the arguments can proceed at this point. During their 2 pre-trial sessions, President Yoon's lawyers and the National Assembly failed to narrow their differences over the main grounds for impeachment due to various sticking points. First, Yoon's lawyers say that the National Assembly's panel removing charges of insurrection as a main argument for impeachment makes no sense, as the Assembly's motion to remove him from power cited insurrection as a major reason. The Constitutional Court is expected to decide on this matter. Yoon's side also argues that his declaration of martial law was an act of state under executive authority and therefore not subject to judicial review. In a 60-page document submitted to the court on Tuesday, the team justified its reasons for declaring the decree, citing election fraud, the opposition-led parliament's disruption of governance, and the state of emergency. Furthermore, Yoon's team filed an objection to the court's decision to obtain records from ongoing trials and criminal investigations over the martial law declaration, arguing that it violates the Constitutional Court Act. By raising procedural issues and various complaints, observers say Yoon's legal team appears to be angling for more time, having criticised the court's focus on holding expedited proceedings. Oh Soo-young, Arirang News.